All right, so quick tutorial how you can add someone into your Facebook fan page as an admin, editor, or whatever you want. So you just need to log into your Facebook account and then go into your fan page. If you cannot see the fan page, just simply click on see all profiles, and then I'm gonna click this one. This is the fan page that I want my brother to be an admin, and then simply click on any of this avatar, really, like the fan page itself, because we need to go into the profile. So click on that. So you just need to click the avatar there, click on the profile, and then if you are an admin version, you basically can see this part in here. If you are using desktop, if you want me to create a tutorial for the mobile version, let me know. So okay, so once you're in the profile, you click on the settings and then scroll down and look on the section under page setup, and then click on page access. Again, you need to make sure that they like the page, otherwise you cannot invite them. So my brother already liked the fan page. I'm going to click on add new there, click on next, and then I will search in my brother. And I think, I'm not sure if you can add someone if they didn't like the page, but you can also actually, because in here just type in the email address. But for you to avoid any technicalities, I would suggest to add them. I would suggest to tell them to like the page first before you can add them as an administrator. So again, I'm going to type in my brother's name and then invite, and then I want him to have a full control. Or if you don't want, so I'm gonna put in my password. So yeah, that's how it works. And again, if you have any question, let me know.